Okay, gents. Shh. Now, okay. Now, here's what we're going to do. I need to find something that has a coefficient of x. So it's to the power 7. Because it's power 7, it means it has 8 terms. Okay? I start off with 7, choose 0. I start off with the first term, which is 3x cubed. I start with the power 7. Okay? And then I'm going, that's going to be x to the power 21, isn't it? What am I concentrating on there? I'm just concentrating on this yellow part here. That means it's going to be x to the power 21. It's nowhere near x to the power 1, is it? So I'm thinking, okay, what actually happened? So I'll try the next term, which is 7 choose 1. And I'll go, okay, it's 3x cubed now to the power 6. Okay? But then the issue is it's 2 over x squared to the power of 1. And as we discussed, that power of 1 works on the bottom and the top equally, doesn't it? So it's 2 to the power 1, and it's x squared to the power 1. And x squared to the power 1 is still... So it's basically, it's x18 on top, but on the bottom, it's x2. And what's x18 take away x2? x16. I'm noticing a drop of 5. And what we discussed, what we found out in yesterday's class, is that once you know the first drop, it's the same for all of them. Okay? So if this is 7C0, this is 7C1, what's 7C2? X11. 7C3? 7C3 is X6. And finally, X4 is 1. 7C4 is X1. I found the location of the one that has X only. Okay? So once I'm well aware that it's 7 choose 4. Yes. Yeah. 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 Okay. Now we got n choose r, and it's what's it? P to the power of n minus r, q to the power of r. Okay. And in this question, p is 3x cubed. That's your p, and your q is 2x squared. Is that all right? Sorry, I highlighted too much. All right. We've discovered our r value is, what's our r value? 4. And finally our n value, 7. See, the colors match up where I'm getting the information from. Did everybody see that? Colors match where I'm pulling the information from, all right? So what we're going to have here is the following. We're going to have 7, choose 4, which you already knew. We're going to have 3x cubed to the power of. So it's, what's it, 7 minus 4, which is 3. And then the other one, to the power of 4. All right. Now, for those of you that doubt it, I'm just gonna zone in on the x's only. Sorry, I use a different shade. See the blue areas now? See here and here, and see the x squared in the power of 4. That means x3 to the power of 3 is x9, and then on the bottom is x2 to the power of 4, which is x8, and then 9 minus a, x1, and that's exactly what we claimed it would be. Is that it'll just have an X in it. Now that I've done that, okay, I'm just going to, once again, rezone my targeting, all right? We know it's going to be an X. And what I'm doing is, this is all what I'm viewing. I see this part. I see this part. See the way I'm ignoring the X's existence? They don't exist to me anymore. It's only the yellow parts I'm looking at. I'm going to lob all that into the calculator. Okay? And here's what I'm going to do. Oh, let's just make that bigger. Oh, never mind. Huh? I could do that. Oh, legend. Deadly. Yeah, I'll take that. That's good. Didn't know that size was available. No, let's do it. Learn something every day. Every day is school day. 7, choose 4. And then we're gonna go 3 to the power 3. And this is what you enter in the calculator. And then 2 to the power 4. Okay. And long story short, you should get 15,120. Anybody get that last night? Okay. Not enough of you, unfortunately. So maybe have a look at this later on tonight, okay, and give it a look.